y'all. So we are in the kayak. And we are gonna fish some. So excited to try this new kayak out for the first time. I wanted to throw a frog today, but I don't know. Might try that a little later, but right now I'm gonna try this underspoon. Try it first. A cute little bird. Hey bird, what are you doing? Are we friends? You my friend? I don't have any fish. You've been more lucky than I have. They don't like me. Let's see, eating a little bait fish or something. That's so funny. First fish in the kayak is a little small jaws. Okay, first fish. First fish. Wouldn't you know it, the first fish in the kayak would be a dinkster. That's hilarious. Little guy. Hey buddy, you're my first fish in the new kayak. How'd you feel about that? You're so cute. I love you. See you later, friend. Bye. Oh my goodness, oh, that was funny. Oh, I caught one. In the new kayak. That was sweet. Trying to fish as much as I can today because tomorrow I've got to put some new tires on my truck so I can start back school. Because my tires are just toasted. Completely roasted. I always put it on the wrong side. Take a fish. Are you serious right now? That's gracious. Why are you going to trees? That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Nope, you come in. Barely hooked. First decent one of the day. We're getting all tangled up in our other roots. See? Come right out. First decent one of the day, though. I think I'm gonna take a picture of that one. Oh, let him go. Thanks, buddy. Thanks, bud. That was great. I took it right out of his mouth. I'm an idiot. Wow. Good job. I knew there's one fish for sure. Alright, we got one. Making so much noise, Mandy. Oh, he wanted that thing. You annihilated that thing, man. There you guys. You got one. He's ticked. I think it was a mite. Oh, we got a nice fish. Oh, he's not very big. Oh, well, he's not good at the book. That big. I can't tell if this is a big one or not. No, we let it go though. Dang. It's a nice little fight. He wasn't very big though. Got one, y'all. Oh my god, chill out. Y'all, I always put the thing on the wrong side because I keep forgetting that they have this little rod holder. I need to learn to use it, but I keep forgetting. There it is. There she is, so we're gonna put her back. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate you. Alright, so I think that they're going to be in the shade lines then. So we're going to focus on shade lines for a second and see if we can get us some more bites. So that each individual little pocket here, we're going to see if they can get some fish. Dang. At least y'all saw that I could not. my swim bait, man. Dang. Oh, man. They get my dang swim baits. What's wrong with y'all? Dude, you got hooked. Quit. You want to go on the grease pan? Well, y'all. Here's another one. If I can get my screen to focus. Stupid screen doesn't want to do right. We're going to take a picture of this one because it's chunky. If I can find my... Alrighty, we're going to let it go. Took my dang swim bait. I ain't got but one left. Oh, he spit it. That was the biggest one of the day, y'all.